it's me. I was wondering if after all this isn't like to meet, to go over everything. They say that I'm supposed to heal ya, but I'm done machine. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. Such a difference between us and the million miles. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry. Everything that I've done, but when I call you, neighbor, seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter. It clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. Hello, how are you? It's so typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope that did you ever make it out of the town when nothing ever happened? It's no secret that the both of us are running out of time. So hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry. Everything that I've done, but when I call you, neighbor, seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter.